In this video, I'm going to show you how to get project hookup wire for less than 1 cent per foot. If you are like me, you are constantly building or repairing something. With project wire selling for 16 cents plus per foot, the cost just for wire can add up really fast. Sometimes you run into situations where you need bundled cable for projects like CNC machines or 3D printers. Then you have to order more wire and wait for the product to show up. With this trick I'm going to show you, you can have cable on hand and get project hookup wire for under 1 cent per foot. Before I continue, take a second to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can learn more circuit secrets. I always get bulk industrial cat cable and keep at least one spool on hand. You can get it for around 5 cents per foot in bulk rolls of 1,000 feet or more. If you need project wire, you can break the cable down like this. Step 1. Cut the length you need. Step 2. Split the cable casing far enough that you can grip the individual wires. Step 3. Pull one wire at a time out of the cable casing. If you spent 5 cents per foot for Category 6 cable, you have 8 individual wires for under 1 cent per foot. I hope this helps you save money when you're building your projects. Thanks for watching.